Alright, how you doing? This is Hans, the Ramenator, and it's time for another instant noodle recipe time with the Ramenator. Today I'm going to do something that sounds really nasty. Pringles Yakisoba. Yep. It's to celebrate Acecook Super Cup's 30th anniversary, and I guess the 50th anniversary of Pringles. So here, let's add the water in and get started. I'll tell you more about it. Makeshift lid. 3 minutes. So you ask, where the hell did you get that? Well, it came in a Zen Pop box, and I'm really happy about it because these kind of things. There was a Nissan chicken nuggets and French fries one that I was dying to try. Of course, these don't stay on the market very long in Japan, so finding them and getting them out without spending a small fortune is like kind of hard. So Zen Pop, yeah, check their boxes out. zenpop.jp. They have subscription boxes, and the one that this came in was a really good one. It had this, that Maruchan that I did the other day with the fried tofu, the hamburger ramen. There's a bunch of cool ones in there, so. But yeah, sour cream and onion flavor yakisoba. We'll see. One of my buddies got it. He tried it. Said it was alright. So I guess we'll know shortly. Now, since I'm using this makeshift lid, I'm going to have to drain it in the manual style, as the regular lid has a little strainer in it. Let's put this over here, and hopefully I can do this without burning myself beyond recognition. If I burn myself, there will be a bonus offer of, I don't know, a greatest hits album of the Ramenator's greatest hits. Before the Ramenator, when I was in a small, odd project called Dog Juice. It's quite a band. And then also I did robot skinning. That's when you get a thing like a Tickle Me Elmo or a Elmo DX. I can't remember what they were called. They have all sorts of them. And you push a button and they dance around and they're plush. You take the plush part off and they're like really wicked looking weird little robots with like cutesy little voices. Did that on stage in 2009 at the Rendezvous in Belltown in Seattle. Hairball the Robot Skinner. My old claim to fame. Yeah. Yep. All right. Fork. There you are. Now here is our noodle. Do a little bit of stretch. Good morning, noodles. How are you today? You were up all night being noodles in a solid form. Now you've changed your state as the caterpillar to chrysalis. Yeah, I was going to say cocoon, but I like chrysalis better. From caterpillar to pupa and emerging as a butterfly, the noodles are hydrated. Clarice. Okay. And we're going to drain them in this setup I got here. When I did review number 3000, I had something going on like this, but it was like, I did the Gigamax. Is that Acecook? No. Gigamax is Payang. Or Payang. Now I will remove the excess water. And pour the noodles in the pot. Oh, almost all the noodles in the pot. Okay, so we have a crap load of noodles, a powder, and an oil that reeks of sour cream and onion. And now all we have to do is stir it up. Oh wow. This reeks of sour cream and onion Pringles. I think I'm gonna have to put it, I'm gonna let my wife try this because this is just too weird. She really likes yakisoba, but she likes the more standard yakisoba, which kind of has a Worcestershire kind of taste to it. You know what I mean. If you don't know what I mean, you really need to go have some yakisoba. But there's the old school, standard, traditional yakisoba, but then there's like, you can get shio yakisoba, shoyu yakisoba. I don't think I've seen miso, but I wouldn't be surprised if it exists. At one point there were chocolate and strawberry shortcake yakisobas, which I really wanted to try. Finally though, I did get to try dessert instant noodles from my buddy back east who sends me stuff from the Ukraine. So that's cool. Alright. Let's give it a try. Don't go out of your way to get this. Does it taste like sour cream and onion? Yes. Is it a noodle? Yes. Does sour cream and onion flavored noodles go together well? Not really. It's extremely salty. It's a violently large serving. Although the one that I did for review 3000 was probably like 4 times this amount. But yeah. There's really not a lot going on here. So that's kind of a bummer. It's interesting. We'll throw some I mean, it's sour cream and onion, right? We'll throw some spring onions on top. Just to stay in the whole mood of things. There's a lot of these noodles here. So yeah. Not too amazing to look at, but an interesting concept. I'm really stoked that I got to try it. Don't really like it, but it was cool. That's my thing. I get asked all the time, what's your favorite instant noodle? I'm just like, the one I haven't tried yet. Because that's all I care about, is trying the next one. Top 10 lists, yeah, I love doing top 10 lists. The big one, annual top 10 list. Those are my favorites that I've tried. But I just want to keep trying them. That's my main mission, because it's just fun. I like different stuff. So something new every day. Alright, well hey, this has been Hans the Ramen Raider, and these have been sour cream and onion Pringles Yakisoba from Japan. Alright, have a good one. Bye.